Are 6 million Americans behind on their mortgage? Because this delinquency chart looks very scary and it's been circulated everywhere over the last week. But I think there's actually maybe something wrong with this chart. Here it is. I mean, it's hard to read, but this is actually for commercial multifamily loans. And because the commercial and residential market work so differently, you can't take this chart and extrapolate it out to all American homeowners. Here is what's actually going on. 70% of mortgages in the US are made up by these yellow and blue lines. Although delinquencies have picked up just a tiny bit as of late, they're still below pre-pandemic levels and well below crash levels. When it comes to FHA and VA loans, which make up a small percentage of the total mortgage market, those are ticking up and are above pre-pandemic levels, which is something we should keep an eye on. But let's do some big picture math here. There are about 51 million mortgages with an overall delinquency rate of 2.6%, which gives us 1.33 million delinquencies, a little different from the 6.1 million from the original tweet. Now, it is true that commercial delinquencies are going up. This is not some new trend, and it's not surprising at all. If you follow commercial real estate at all, people have been talking about this for 2 or 3 years. Commercial debt is usually adjustable rate debt, unlike the residential market, so it's not surprising that there is more distress in commercial than residential. So please, when you see headlines like this, remember that the commercial market and the residential market operate very differently. And make sure to double check any data you see on the internet, including mine.